How is the film produced out of granules? The delivered granules are processed further thermoplastically, the extruder being the most important part of a blown film extrusion line. In addition, the polyethylene granules can be mixed with dyes and process materials. Up to 7 different polymeric auxiliary and supplementary substances can be added in a gravimetrically controlled fashion. The screw revolves in a heated metal pipe. The screw enables the material to be heated slowly. It is mixed homogeneously and is moved forward. After the extruder, the melted mass is transported through a die head with a die insert. The viscous material, which penetrates annually at the end of the die, turns into a flexible tube, which is respectively blown to size by means of cooled air. The lay-flat width of the flexible tube is between 400 and 1600 millimeters. The thickness of the film ranges from 9 micron up to 2200 micron. The profile tolerance of the film is continuously controlled online by a non-contact capacitive sensor. Any thick or thin spots are immediately corrected. The bubble, which is still hot, continues to be cooled by chilled air and is transported up to a height of 20 meters. After being collapsed, the flexible web, which appears endless, is transported further via 2 horizontal air-turning bars. The molecules of the polyethylene are aligned under a tension of 25,000 volts during the preparatory corona treatment. Depending on the customer's requirements, it is possible to realize a simple print image on the film in line with the extruder. At the rewinding stand, it is possible to produce tubular reels with a center cut or as a flat film. Furthermore, the web may be cut here into several individual lanes and they can then be wound. The rolls are changed automatically. One part of the produced film is processed further in the company. Bread bags, refuse bags, packaging bags, shrink covers, bags for deep freezing and other products are produced by ready-made technology. The ready-made production is rounded off by the possibility to supplement gussets, holes and an interlocking. The produced end product is packed according to the quality and the requests of the customer for further transport. All products are strictly controlled in the company's own laboratory by highly trained staff. The profile of the film is once again controlled offline after production at this operational monitoring system. The size of the strip cut off the flexible tube made out of film is thoroughly tested in regard to the profile of the material by means of this procedure. The nominal value of thickness may not exceed or fall below 10% at any point. By means of the dart drop procedure, the film material is tested for its puncture resistance. In further test methods, the films are controlled regarding their tensile strength, the elongation at break, and the friction coefficient. However, the assessment begins with the delivered granules. Apart from the standard tests, the well-equipped laboratory can also fulfill customers' special requirements. Here, the adhesion of the film on lacquered steel is tested, so that later on during the application, the protective film, for example, may be removed again from a new sheet steel roof. From granule to film, the production process is completed. Now the Frischmann Kunststoffe company's finished films go out into the world. One conscious look is enough to be able to see all of the things that can be packaged in plastic film.